In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch an image in Affinity Photo. We'll keep it simple, practical, and clear, so you can reshape an image cleanly without introducing unwanted distortion. First, open Affinity Photo and bring your image onto the canvas. You can use File, Open, or just drag the file in. Fit the image to your screen so you can see the entire frame comfortably. If you like a little safety net, duplicate your image layer so you have an untouched original to fall back on. Now let's do a straightforward stretch with the Move tool. Select the Move tool from the toolbar on the left. You'll see a bounding box with handles appear around your image. To stretch horizontally, drag a handle on the left or right side. To stretch vertically, drag the top or bottom handle. If the aspect ratio lock is enabled, disable it so your drag isn't constrained. Keep an eye on the image quality as you pull small, deliberate moves usually look cleaner than dramatic jumps. If you need straight, aligned edges, turn on snapping, so the bounding box snaps to guides or the canvas. A quick tip: if your subject is near the edges, zoom in as you drag so you can watch for stretching artifacts and keep edges tidy. For more targeted control, use Liquify through the filters options on the right and choose Liquify. This opens tools designed for reshaping parts of the image. The forward warp brush is perfect for gentle stretching. Use a larger, soft brush with low pressure to nudge areas outward smoothly. Work in short strokes, then pause to assess. If something goes too far, switch to Reconstruct to roll back just that area. The freeze brush protects details you don't want to move, like eyes, logos, or sharp edges. Adjust brush size with quick shortcuts, zoom in for precision, and sweep along contours rather than pushing straight through important features. When you're satisfied, apply the changes to return to the main workspace. And that's it. Quick global stretching with the Move tool, and precise localized stretching with Liquify for a polished result.